Hi guys, what's up? How's it going? I hope you're doing fine. In this video, we're looking into some of the typical ways of saying hello in the Russian language. And believe me, really, in Russian language, we have much more ways of saying hello than in English. So let's dip into it and let's start with the first one. And guess what it is? It's Здраствуйте. Здравствуйте. That's very formal and official. And this one will be only used in some formal settings or stuff like that.
Здравствуйте! Угадайте, кто я?
And then we have Здрасте, Здрасте, which is really informal and used in colloquial speech. And probably you will hear it more in movies than in, like, let's say, real life talk or speech.
Здрасте.
Then we have Привет, Привет. I'm sure you might have heard this one. It's used really a lot. So whenever guys you go to Russia, you will be like, oh, you will hear it really a lot. Привет.
Я говорю привет, привет, Андрей.
And then we have Приветик, Приветик, which is kind of childish, not serious, and it's only one thing, it's used only among the girls, so you will never really hear this one among guys, so be careful. Привет, приветик.
Приветик, тетя Люба. Погодка сегодня отпад.
And guys, if you wanna be like kind of cool, you can use some slang and surprise your Russian friend. And we have one good way of saying hello, which is Здорово, Здорово. So, for example, you can say Здорово, чё там? Like, hey, what's up?
Здорово, Витёк!
Здорово. And other one we have Дарова, but that's kind of the same as the first one. The only difference is that we don't really say Z, we just only say like it gets dropped when it goes like Дарова, so Здорово, Дарова. So again, it's slang, it's informal and used a lot between male friends, so be careful, not between girls. Hey folks, so that's it. I guess it's not really confusing for you. We really have a lot of ways of saying hello in Russian, and that's true, that's not like in English, so just watch the video several times to memorize it, and let's wait for my next video. So talk to you soon, and until next time, bye!